customer. Thank you for purchasing Netro products. This video will introduce you to the main features of Stream to help you learn and use this product better. Click the schedule icon at the bottom of the application. Press the Add button in the upper right corner of the schedule page to add a one-time or recurring watering schedule. Customize the recurring watering schedule to meet your needs. Click the manual watering icon on the home page to execute an immediate watering command with a custom duration. You can stop the watering before it completes. Click the delay icon, input the number of days to delay, and then click Done. This will skip the watering schedules for the selected days. You can wake up the stream by short pressing the manual watering button. Wait until the network status light is solid green. Quickly press the manual watering button twice to start manual watering. If there's no response, wait about 3 seconds for the network status light to remain solid green. The device will be processing data in the background and won't be able to start manual watering. Press the watering button quickly twice again to manually stop watering before the scheduled time. The default watering duration is 10 minutes.
When using the stream with power plugged in, there's no need to wake it up. Simply quickly press the manual watering button twice to start watering.
In the powered off state, you can turn on the device by either briefly pressing the reset button or by plugging it in. When the device is powered on but not plugged in, you can shut it down by briefly pressing the reset button. If the device is sleeping, you need to briefly press the manual watering button to wake up the device. Wait for the network status light to turn green, and then press the reset button briefly to shut down the device. In the powered off state, the device won't be operational for any functions. If you need to store your stream, before shutting it down, quickly press the manual watering button twice to run the device without water. This will help clear any remaining liquid from the motor. Then proceed to power it down. This action will effectively extend the device's lifespan. When the device is low on power, the power light will blink once every 15 seconds. Your phone also notifies you about the device being in a low power state. At this point, please promptly connect it to a power source to charge, preventing any disruption to the device's normal operation. Once the charging is complete, the red power light on the device will turn off. If the water container is empty and a watering command is initiated, the stream's water flow status light will flash blue for 5 seconds. At this point, with notification permissions enabled for the Netro app, your phone will receive a notification about the low water level. Please refill the water container promptly to avoid any disruption to the device's normal operation. You can modify the Wi-Fi settings through the app, while retaining all previous device configurations. In the powered on state, press and hold the reset button for 6 seconds. Release the reset button when the network status light turns yellow. This action will reset the stream to factory settings and enter Bluetooth pairing mode. If you need to reset all settings for that device within the Netro application, you can remove the device from the app first. Then, perform a reset on the device by pressing and holding the reset button and follow the in-app instructions to re-add the device. To learn more about the stream, download the user manuals from the official Netro website.